Level 4, Unit 15, subtracting 0 to 17 from numbers up to 25. Unit 15.1, here we're subtracting 0 to 13 from numbers up to 18. Let's look at example A, 13 minus 1. If we take 13, we take 1 away, we're going to end off with the answer of 12. Example B, 15 minus 8. Let's look at the ones position. You can't take 8 away from 5. You don't have enough. So here we're going to jump over to our tens column and we're going to borrow. So that 1 becomes a 0. Now we take that borrowed 10 and we apply it to our 5 to make 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And we have nothing now in the tens column, so 7 is our answer. Unit 15.2, subtracting 3 to 14 from numbers up to 20. Look at example A. 14 minus 3. If we look at the ones position, 4 minus 3 is 1. In our tens column, we just have the one number, so we carry it over to make an answer of 11. Example B. 15 minus what equals 9? Let's just count backwards on this problem. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So how many tally marks do we have? That means we're subtracting 6. 15.3, subtracting 5 to 15 from numbers up to 22. 17 minus 5. Let's start with our ones column. 7 minus 5 is 2. We go to our tens column, we only have the one number, so we carry the 1 over to give us an answer of 12. Example B. What number minus 13 equals 5? Let's work backwards starting with our answer. 5 plus 13 is going to give us our beginning number. So if we combine the two ones positions, 5 plus 3 is 8. The tens position, there's only the one number, so our starting number is 18. 15.4, subtracting 7 to 16 from numbers up to 24. Example A, 21 minus 9. We look at our ones position, you can't take 9 away from just 1. So we're going to go to our 2 in our tens position, we're going to borrow, make it a 1, take that borrowed 1 and combine it in our ones column and make that an 11. Now we have 11 minus 9, which is 2, and we have just the 1 in the tens column, so we carry it over for an answer of 12. Let's look at example B. 24 minus what number equals 10? Well, let's look at one place value at a time. To get from the 4 to the 0, what would we have to take away? Well, 4 minus 4 equals 0. Let's look at the tens position. To get from the 2 to the 1, what would we have to take away? Well, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we subtracted 14. Unit 15.5, subtracting 0 to 17 from numbers up to 25. Example A. What number did we have to subtract 6 to equal 16? Let's just work backwards here. 16 plus 6. So again, we have 6 plus 6 is 12. So we put a 2 down, carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we started with 22.